Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 60 divided by 30 is equal to 2. Then again 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right, okay? And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So here is division, and also here is division. So all have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, then this division, and then we have to solve this division, okay? So 60 divided by 30 is equal to 2 divide 10 divide 5, okay? Now 2 divided by 10 can be written as 2 upon 10 divide 5, okay? Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction as it is same, 2 upon 10. Okay, C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this last fraction, 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, so now 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2, 10 multiply 5 is equal to 50. So okay, so 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1, 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25. So 1 upon 25 is the correct answer. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.